Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How you doing? Hope everybody's having a great day out there today. I am here on behalf of Easy Profit 100. Super excited about this program I have been a part of for 3 solid years. Pretty much working in part-time, but it's a great program. I kind of been doing this for a while, okay, even before Easy Profit 100, but this is a program, I mean, you just keep doing it over and over, guys, because it works. It really works, and it's great for a beginner or an advanced person. It doesn't matter who you are. Who doesn't want to receive $100 commissions over and over and over? Okay, Easy Profit 100 has been around for 7 years. Okay, and it was created by Art Rayburn. And it's for the average person, really. I mean, they just want to make some money from home. Doesn't matter who you are, what you're doing. But if you're looking to make some extra income from home, simple and easy, this is a program for you. Hands off. You can just mail postcards and let the owner close the sales for you. It's for people that don't have a computer. If they get your card in the mail and they don't have a computer, they'll just mail it back in with their return address on there that goes back to the company, and they'll send them information. Okay, so it's a direct mail program, but they give you a website. It's $149 one time to get started. The $49 is for your website. You have a back office so you can track your sales. The company automatically sends you an email every time someone joins, so you know who's joining you, and you can go in your back office and check it out. You can call them up. You have their email and their phone number, and you can see when your commissions are coming to you, so you can track everything there. That's what I like about it. It's a great tracking system. So again, $149 one time, no recurring monthly fees. The $149 will get you 120 leads on pill and stick labels that you're going to get to put on your cards, and you're going to order your cards separately, and I'm going to show you that here on this website. I already have it pulled up for you, but let me show you something else. Okay, right here it says you get 120 leads and labels, okay, for people that's interested in making money from home and have their address and their name on there. You're just going to peel them off and put them on your postcards, okay? So I'm just kind of thumbing through the website here. And the comp plan, the way it works, guys, is the first sale you keep. So you basically get $100 back on your first sale. You invest $149, you get $100 back on the first sale, okay? And the second sale goes up, so you pass up your second and your fourth sale, and everyone does that. That's where you create the leverage with the program. Okay, it's a horizontal pay line, so we don't have, you know, levels like a multi-level marketing type of company. So it's 100% commission. So you're gonna make $100 over and over every time someone joins you. And your pass-ups are going to pass you up $100 commissions as well, okay? Those seconds and fourths add up very quickly. So it's not just you out here, you know, making money. Because actually, if the people that you're bringing in, if they do the same thing and duplicate the process, they mail their postcards, you're going to get those pass-ups. And I'm going to show you also how you can do this online, too, in a second. But here we go. See, the first one you keep, the second one is passed up. The system will do all that for you. You don't have to worry about trying to figure out how you do that. The software that he has in place does it automatically, okay? And the checks will come to you. See, the third one goes to you, and the fourth one passes up. And then after that, you keep all your sales, okay? And everyone does that, the second and the fourth, okay? So, as you can see here, $100 payouts, guys. Unlimited $100 payouts. Simple marketing system, direct mail, and you can market it online, or you can do both, either one, okay? So I'm going to show you how I'm doing it as well online. So here's your direct mail, and it also comes, your welcome kit is going to come with a flyer as well, guys. The company has put together a flyer for you personally with your username on it. So if you like doing flyers and putting them in envelopes, you can do that too. The difference is the postage. You got to buy your envelopes, and your postage is 50 cents per stamp versus the 35 cents with the postcards, okay? So it's just up to you which way you want to go. Okay, then we're going to give you some mailing list companies you can use. The company's going to give you some, but I'm going to personally, once you join, I'll email you a list of companies that I use that I found successful. Okay, and right here, this is what it's telling you: no chasing friends and family, no cold calling, no meetings to attend. You know, you can do this online and offline. We have people out here, thousands and millions of people all over the world is looking for a way to make money from home. So you don't have to bother and pester and spam people about your business. Okay, so we'll show you how to do that. Okay. $149, as it states right here. $149. That's a great price point to get started in a home-based business. Okay, you can make this your full time if you don't have anything else going on. Make this your full time. Mail out postcards every week and collect your commissions. Okay, and then you can do it online too. Okay, let's move this over. Okay, this number is great. Call this number. Listen to the 24-hour info line that Art does and explains the business, and that's going to be on your postcard. Okay, so when they get the card in the mail, they'll listen to that. And I'm going to go down a little bit here. This talks about the $149 again. This is for U.S. only too, guys. I've been having a lot of people reach out to me out of the country. It's only for the U.S. because you're going to be mailing these postcards. And even if you were doing it online, he's got to mail you a check, and the checks aren't going to go outside the U.S. Okay. And the owner is Art. There's Art right there. His information is on the website as well. He doesn't hide behind his computer. Feel free to give him a call. How many $100 commissions do you want? All right. Now let me show you the card real quick. Let's see. This computer's going to move for me today. Okay. Right here, this is what the postcard looks like in black and white. Now you can get it in many colors, as it states right here. If you want pink, green, blue, yellow, purple, whatever you want, just call the company and tell them. That's on the web page, so you can look that up and get that information. As you can see, $72.95 for 1,000 of these, guys. That's a great price. This is the front. This is what they'll see when they get it out of the mailbox. The label will be right here. Your username will be right here. So let's say they get this in the mail. They don't have a computer to go to the website right here, which will be your username. I recommend getting you a domain, though, you know, so to look professional. But let's say they don't have a computer. They get this in the mail and they go, this is interesting. They call this number. It sounds good. So what they're going to have to do is drop this back in the mail. Okay, and as it states right here, they're going to mail it back to this address here in Texas. And then the company is going to have to send them an info kit on what this is all about. And your username is on the card, so he will know who to pay. Okay, so don't worry about that. So that's what you're looking at. And then here's the one in color. I personally like the black and white. Personally, you know, simple is easy. You know, easy on the eyes. Okay, but it's your choice. Either one of those works fine. I like this one better, and I'm partial to the white and the yellow. Those are my preferences, but you decide which colors you want. So you place your order. You sign up for the program first, so you can get your user ID. Then you call this company that's in the back office, well, actually on the web page. And you give them your order, and they have a special for $2,500 as well. So find out what the specials are, and you tell them you're ordering your postcards for Easy Profit 100. They already have this template ready to go, and they're just going to ask you for your username, and they're going to put it on there. Okay, and then they're going to mail them to you, and you get them in about 7 days, business days. Okay, real easy, guys. It's just that simple. Okay, now I'm marketing this online as well, so I want to show you that. I'm using a page like this. I'm using the Power Lead system. I'm also in the Conversion Pros, but for this particular campaign, I'm using the Power Lead system. Okay, so I have this page, okay, and I have a website. It's not the one that you guys know of. It's a different domain that I'm using just for this ad. And I'm actually sending traffic here to this page. They put in their email, and it goes to a sales page. Okay, and it does all the selling and telling for them, and they decide if they want to be an Easy Profit 100 or not. And then they'll have my phone number because it's going to be on this page, right? Yours will be too. Once you go in your profile and set it up, just put it there. So once they go there, they'll say, oh, let me just give her a call. I have a few questions. Okay? No problem. So you can do this online. I'll show you how you can do it online and send buyers to this page that's interested in making money from home. And you can build you a list a little bit quicker that way. Okay? So you can do it either way, guys. But this is another way to also do Easy Profit 100. It's not just offline, it's online as well, because you have a website. This is your website. You're gonna get a website just like this. Okay? So you can send people to this website, and this is a video that will play and it will explain the program. And then again, they have the owner's name and number on this page that they can call and ask him questions if they feel more comfortable. Okay? And get their questions answered. And they just simply join. Now, how do you join? You go up here. Let me show you. Let me go back, because I'm actually in my back office here. Hold on one second here. Hold on. Okay, here we go. My page was stuck. Okay, we're on this page. I'm sorry. I thought I was on another page. And say they get ready to join. What you're going to do is you come down. You get ready to join. You come all the way down and see right here. Take action. Get started now. Click that button. He accepts debit cards, credit cards. Okay, and you go here. As you can see, my name is right here, so you'll know you're on the right page, referred by me. Then it has my name, my username right there, Postcard Diva. And all you do is fill out your information right here. Full name, email, your best email, because remember, you're going to get an email every time someone joins. You don't want it going to a wrong email that you're not going to check, because you're going to miss out on your emails notifications about commission checks. Okay, so put in the right email, your full name, United States. Click this I'm not a robot and click agree, and you set up your account. Pay your $149, and then from that same page that you were on, that we were on, okay, you can go backwards and you order your postcards. Call up the company that's on here, give them a call, and let them know that you want to order the Easy Profit 100 postcards, and give them your username. But you've got to wait until you join first. Okay, join, get your user ID. You'll get an email with your user ID on it, so you'll know what it is. Order the cards. Put that user, tell them you want to put what your username is. They're going to put it in there, and they're going to print those out and get them to you within about 7 business days. Okay. Meanwhile, you still can market online, okay, which is what I was talking about. While you're waiting a week for the cards to come in, you could also post ads, Craigslist, Facebook, it's different places. And then I will show you if you want to do it the other way, where what I'm doing, using a page like this and sending buyers to this page. You can do that as well for a great price, guys. And that way you can get some traction going in your business while you're waiting on your postcards to come in the mail. Okay? All right, that's all I've got for you today. Join me in Easy Profit 100. You're going to love this program. It's a solid program. It's been around for a while, 7 years, okay? So you're going to enjoy it.
Welcome to Easy Profit 100.
Welcome to Easy Profit 100. My name is Art Rayburn, and I am...
So you're going to enjoy it. So get started with me. If you have any questions about it, feel free to give me a call. Number below. I'll be happy to answer those questions for you, okay? And I look forward to you joining the team, guys. I look forward to seeing you on the inside of Easy Profit 100. All right? You guys have a blessed day.